This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, heated seats, Hyundai BlueLink, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a lithium polymer battery, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.